The coronavirus continues to have devastating effects on workers across the city. The TTC announcing today they will be temporarily laying off 1,200 of their employees. The Transit Commission says ridership has dropped by 85%, resulting in a loss of $90 million monthly. TTC service will also be cut back to roughly 70 to 80% of regular service.
As ridership significantly went down, there becomes less of a need for as many operators as we have today. And today's announcement was that we will lay off up to 1,000 operators, as well as an additional 200 non-union employees. But I'm going to tell you they're layoffs, but we call them temporary layoffs because that's important to note. And with that temporary layoff, we know that the pendulum will swing and that this will become a vibrant community again, and the ridership will come back. So we want these employees to be there for us, waiting to come back. So with that, we're also going to make sure that we give them a benefit package so that they're there, and when the customers come back, they come right back to us.
Part of the reductions will include a pause in salary increases for non-unionized employees, reducing overtime hours and not hiring all seasonal hires. In a statement provided by the TTC union ATU Local 113 to its members, they mentioned their employees deserve better than this, especially after putting their health at risk. This is the thank you our members get for sacrificing themselves day in and day out, for putting their families and themselves at risk. No doubt this feels like a punch to the gut after all the hard work our members are doing to keep Toronto moving throughout the coronavirus pandemic. Almost 30 of you have tested positive for COVID-19. You deserve better than today's announcement. The federal and provincial governments need to step in and provide emergency relief funding for the TTC.
Okay, will you guys be requesting help from the government?
I can tell you that the savings that are generated from this initiative does not cover all the costs of the $90 million a month. We're going to save up to $25 million by a number of the initiatives we'll put in place. So we still have the expectation that the senior levels of government will be acknowledging the impact that they're having on a major city like Toronto. But we're going to need senior levels of government to come up and help us to do that.
Our need this year from the Government of Canada and the Government of Ontario is for operating funds to help us make up the difference that we've lost because of reduced TTC revenue and a variety of other things. And as I said earlier on, I believe that an investment in Canada's cities, including the biggest city, Toronto, for which I'm responsible, is the best investment the Government of Canada could ever make.
The TTC also announcing today that they have 5 new confirmed positive COVID-19 cases at their Queensway facility, bringing the total number of cases at the TTC to 27. At Yonge and Finch, Stella Acquisto, City News.